What is up, guys? Done at the sites. In this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem your PayPal redeem code from Swagbucks. So first, you need to head over to a Swagbucks website by just simply typing swagbucks.com, and then you need to log in with your account credentials. And after that, when you're redirected to the homepage at the top here on the right side, you will see the search bar. Simply click on it once and then search for PayPal. And after that, you just simply need to hit enter, and after entering here you will open the PayPal account, and from there you can just simply search for all your redeem codes or all your gift cards. Or if you directly want to redeem the rewards, simply click on this more button and then click on redeem rewards, and after that this page will open, and from here you need to search for PayPal again and then hit enter. After hitting enter, here you will see all the rewards for PayPal. If any of them are available, simply click on that PayPal reward, and after clicking on that, here you need to choose the amount of reward, and then you need to click on redeem to redeem it. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.